I'll get you to make this super easy, super delicious apple honey tart made with apples and honey, perfect for a last minute Rosh Hashanah dessert. The perfect way to bring in the new year. I've got an assortment of apples. Thinly slice your apple. Next up we need puff pastry dough, but now we're not out here buying it. Actually we are, I don't want to go through all that work. Use some store-bought puff pastry dough. Use a fork to dock the middle to make sure it doesn't puff up. Making sure to leave an inch around the sides. Drizzle on a whole lot of honey. Because it would not be a Rosh Hashanah dessert without honey. Spread. Now it's time to top with the apples. I like to do design of diagonal red, green, because then I think it looks cool. But feel free to customize the design however you'd like. Green in the corner. Then red. Green again. And finally red. Mix together cinnamon and sugar. Do some cinnamon sugar bay action all over the top. Bam! Brush the edges with an egg wash. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 to 40 minutes until nice and golden brown. Look at how beautiful that is. Look at how insanely delicious that looks. It is now time to cut it and eat it. Cut out a nice size square. Look at how insanely delicious that looks. Cheers to the new year. Let's give it a try. I'm so excited. You hear that crunch? I'm gonna finish eating and then I'll talk. Well, that's insanely delicious. I mean, what could not be delicious about puff pastry, honey, apples, and cinnamon and sugar? Basically nothing. So you already knew it's gonna be delicious. You guys have got to try this recipe. I will put in the description box all the amounts so that you guys can make it. It is a perfect last minute dessert. It is super delicious, super quick, super easy to make, and also looks beautiful at the same time. This morning I called all my friends who I miss like crazy to wish them a happy Jewish New Year, called my family. So I wanted to extend it to my digital family and wish you all who celebrate Rosh Hashanah a Chag Sameach and a Shana Tova. And to everyone who doesn't celebrate Rosh Hashanah, I hope you have an awesome weekend as well, because every day on earth is worth celebrating, and you guys have got to make this whether or not you celebrate Rosh Hashanah. Hope you all have a happy and healthy new year with your family if you're able to be with them. All right, if you need me, I'm going to be devouring the rest of this. So cheers to a new year. Boom.